Hey Texters, Marco here on the marketing team at Easy Texting. Realtors everywhere today depend on SMS text marketing to stay connected with their customers. Why? Because compared to other communication channels like social media or email, SMS text messages are opened and read on average 5 times more. As a communication channel, SMS text marketing is integral to businesses just like yours. So today, let's break down 5 business-boosting real estate text messages you can be sending your audience to keep them engaged using Easy Texting. Number 1, provide sneak peeks. Window shopping? No thanks. Instead, showcase beautiful units by bringing property interiors directly to home shoppers through multimedia messaging service texts, or MMS text for short. MMS texts allow you to create immersive brand experiences by sending texts with rich attached media files like pictures, GIFs, videos, emojis, or a website link. Number 2, promote open houses. Open house showcase success hinges on good attendance. When you need to get the word out and promote an open house event, SMS text marketing with its 98% open rates help you share invites and reminders fast, securely, and privately. Number 3, appointment reminders. Decrease no-shows and boost positive customer experiences with SMS appointment reminders for prospects and clients. Quickly remind customers of house showings or other important meetings about their unit of interest. Coming in at number 4, new listing alerts. Time is of the essence in real estate. Speed and agility in your communication are critical to success, especially when enticing home shoppers with exciting new listings. Mass SMS text marketing is a permission-based activity allowing you to segment and share bulk marketing texts with large groups in minutes. And number 5, re-engage cold contacts. Some contacts go cold. That's okay. Failing to re-engage those cold contacts is not. Use SMS texting to quickly check in, re-establish connections with prospects, and determine if they're still interested in buying or selling. We hope these 5 tips help you level up your next text marketing campaign. Easy Texting enables real estate agents nationwide to stay connected with the right people at the right time using SMS and MMS text marketing. Gain industry-leading speed and deliverability to connect more and sell properties faster. It's all possible with Easy Texting.
Try it free today at easytexting.com/start.